In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union to an Easypasa account. So to do this, simply go ahead and open up westernunion.com or the app on your phone and sign into your account. Now if you don't have an account yet, just go and create it. It should only take a few minutes. After doing that, you will likely land on a list of countries that you can send money to. From here, you just want to type in Pakistan and then select it by clicking on it and then click on continue. Now from here you can choose how much you would like to send and how you want to pay for the transfer. So for example, I'll go with my bank account and send 100 Canadian dollars. Then you will see how many Pakistani rupees your recipient will receive, and the important part here is where you see delivery by. You want to click on the drop down and select a mobile wallet and then click continue. Then here click accept, and then here you can select a recipient if you already have one or add a new one by clicking on add new. I'll just select this one and click continue. Now here all you need to do is enter the legal first name and last name and then click continue. Now here for the wallet service provider, for me it was automatically set to Easypasa. If it isn't for you, just click on it and here select Easypasa. Then here enter the wallet mobile number associated with the Easypasa account of your recipient and choose the purpose for the transfer. For example, a gift. Then click continue and add your own payment details. After doing that, you can review if everything is correct, and if it is, go and confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient's Easypasa account. So now you know how to transfer money from Western Union to Easypasa. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.